Today we are going to discuss about major economic and cultural activities of Africa, grade 10, unit 5. Welcome to GO lesson 17 tube. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. Question number 1. Why is the quaternary sector important for economic growth? A. It supports knowledge-based industries. B. It focuses on raw material extraction. C. It is mainly for agricultural workers. D. It eliminates the need for education. Question number 2. Which employment sector is least developed in Africa? A. Primary economic sector. B. Secondary economic sector. C. Tertiary. D. Quaternary sector. Question number 3. What is the major reason for low industrialization in Africa? A. High technology adoption. B. Limited access to capital and infrastructure. C. Lack of natural resources. D. Too many skilled workers. What will be your answer? For question number 1, the quaternary sector is important for economic growth through supports the knowledge-based industries. So, A is the correct answer. These knowledge-based industries are like research, financial plannings, and the others can be categorized to quaternary economic activities. Question number 2. The economic sector which is known with least developed in Africa is secondary economic activities, especially manufacturing and industrialization, due to the shortage of capital and also technological limitation. So B is the correct answer. Question number 3. The reason for low industrialization in Africa is limited access to capital and infrastructure. So B is again the correct answer. Question number 4. What percentage of Africa's workforce is employed in agriculture? A. 10%. B. 30%. C. 60%. D. 90%. Question number 5. Why does Africa struggle with overfishing? A. Lack of demand for fish. B. Strict government regulations. C. Illegal foreign fishing and poor enforcement. D. Small coastal areas. Number 6. Which of the following is not the challenge for Africa's tourism industry? A. Political instability. B. Poor infrastructure. C. Strong security and governance. D. Environmental degradation. In Africa, from 1.3 billion people, 60% of the people relies on agriculture. As a result, C is the correct answer. The reason why Africa struggles with overfishing is due to the illegal foreign fishing and poor enforcement. So, C is the correct answer. A strong security and governance can positively push the development of tourism in Africa. So, C is again the correct answer. But political instability, poor infrastructure, environmental degradation can hinder the development of tourism in Africa. Question number 7. How can Africa create more jobs? A. By reducing industrialization. B. By expanding the service sector. C. By investigating in infrastructure. D. By decreasing educational levels. Question number 8. What role does education play in reduction of unemployment? A. Increases job opportunities. B. Reduce industrialization. C. Eliminates the need for skill training. D. Encourages people in avoid employment. Question number 9. What is the impact of poor infrastructure on job creation? A. It slows industrial growth. B. It increases access to jobs. C. It improves rural economies. D. It boosts international investments. Let me give you about 1 minute. What will be the correct answer for those three of them? Good. Good. The correct answer for question number 7 is Africa can create more jobs by investing in infrastructure. The reason, since infrastructure is poor, there is no waste of supply in production, especially to supply raw materials, agricultural products to the industry. So, mechanism which stands first should be investigating in infrastructure. C is the correct answer. Question number 8. The role of education in the reduction of unemployment is increasing job opportunities. The more educated have, the more chance to be employed than uneducated one. So, A is the correct answer. Question number 9. The impact of poor industrialization on job creation is that poor infrastructural construction demolish the industrial growth on its way. It hinders the development of job creating capability. So, A is the factor that can slows job creating mechanisms. Unless increasing access to jobs is helps to create more jobs. Improving rural economies also affords job creation. D. Boosting international investments can also used for helps to job creation. So A is the correct answer. Question number 10. Question number 10. On which of the following does Agenda 2063 emphasize? A. On economic independence and growth. B. On increasing dependency on foreign aids. C. On reducing industrialization. D. On closing international trade. Question number 11. Which of the following enables Agenda 2063 plan to empower African youth? A. Encouraging entrepreneurship and education. B. Reducing access to job opportunities. C. Limiting technological advancements. D. Increasing dependence on the informal sector. Question number 12. What is the key similarity between Agenda 2063 and the Sustainable Development Goals? A. Both focuses on sustainable development. B. Both are limited to Africa. C. Both prioritize economic stagnation. D. Both ignore climate change. Good. This should be your self-assignment. Read and try to answer via your comment. Question number 13. Which of the following is a unique feature of Agenda 2063? A. It is a global initiative. B. It is focused on Africa's specific challenges. C. It discourages technological growth. D. it does not address employment. Question number 14. What is the most widely spoken language in Africa? A. French. B. Swahili. C. Portuguese. D. Hindi. Question number 15. Why is Africa's linguistic diversity is a challenge? A. It causes economic stagnation. B. It makes national communication difficult. C. It eliminates cultural identity. D. It stops economic growth. What will be the answer? Good. The main unique feature of Agenda 2063 is focusing on Africa's specific challenges. So, Agenda 2063 is continental, which is based on the improvement of problems faced in Africa. So, B is the correct answer. Question number 14. The most widely spoken language in Africa is Swahili. Does not mean to say that French, Portuguese, Hindi are spoken in Africa. But Swahili language can be spoken in East Africa, in French, in Portuguese. So B is the correct answer. Question number 15. Why Africa's linguistic diversity becomes a challenge is it makes national communication difficult. So B is the correct answer. Question number 16. Which of the following is a primary sector activity? A. Banking. B. Mining. C. Software development. D. Manufacturing. Question number 17. What percentage of Ethiopia's workforce is engaged in agriculture? A. 23.72%. B. 37.52%. C. 38.76%. D. 60.42%. Question number 18. Which African country has the highest percentage of workforce in the service sector? A. Ethiopia. B. Nigeria. C. South Africa. D. Germany. Question number 19. What is the main challenge of agriculture in Africa? A. Overproduction of crops. B. Climate variability. C. Lack of demand. D. High wages for farmers. Good. The primary sector activity is mining. B is the correct answer. While banking is the service sector, software development is the knowledge-based, manufacturing is the secondary economic activity. So B is the primary. In Africa, 37.52% of people are engaged in agriculture. So B is the correct answer. South Africa is African country which has the highest percentage of workforce in service sector. So C is the correct answer. The main challenges of agriculture in Africa is climate variability. B is the correct answer. Question number 20. Which of the following is a similarity between Agenda 2063 and the Sustainable Development Goals? A. Both aim to eradicate poverty. B. Both focus only on African economies. C. Both discourage sustainable development. D. Both are focused on short-term goals. Question number 21. A hypothetical country has 50 million people. Of this, 52% is categorized to a workforce in a country. What would be the unemployment rate in a hypothetical country? A. 45, B. 90, C. 54, D. 92. The correct answer for question number 20 is that Agenda 2063 and Sustainable Development Goal have the same goal to eradicate poverty. So, A is the correct answer. The correct answer for question number 21 is, let me give you as an individual assignment. Comment your answer via comment button. Thank you for your attention. Chaanalii keessan Geolesson 17 Tube waan daawwattaniif galatooma. Geolesson 17 Tube chaanaalachuun sila gobanyaachuu አመሰግናለሁ። Geolesson 17 Tube chaanaalii milkoomina egeree dhalootaaf dhimmu